So right now, basically, this is all I need to put right now. Hopping in right here for positioning is very risky if you don't have bearish confirmation, right? So there is bearish confirmation, but there has been times where I would hop in a trade like this. I don't get my last bit of confirmation that I'm looking for, and then price does go in the opposite direction of the position that I'm entering. So that is another thing to keep into consideration. So I got that there. I got positioning. I know what my first TP is. I'm planning this trade out because if it does go my way, I need to be prepared for it when I'm going to go. If I check my phone real quick, I can throw this trade in. If it's not going my direction, and I know what to do to prepare for it to not. So if it does break above this zone, I already know what I'm going to do. But that's not what I'm looking for. So plotting this right here.
Just waiting on my shift. No, I'm going slow. I'm just waiting on my feet. So play right, you know. I'ma leave my heart up on the floor. I try to get you right. They got me at the store. They got me like don't need you. Play right, goddamn.
Alright, so I put 1 hour right here because I know that this area is the neckline of this very small structure in this pattern, right? So this is just off of being in the market for almost 4 years and understanding the type of strategy that I use and what I'm looking for when I'm in the market to, you know, help me profit consistently. So I put 1 hour here, and that's just for another additional confluence or further confirmation. So that's why I got that right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I got a jam. So basically what I'm about to do right now, I'm a fib, alright, throw a little fib up. And as I'm throwing my fib, I'm gonna make it red just so I know I'm gonna sell. Alright, so first thing I'm looking at, and this is how you know when you got really good levels, when you throw a fib on it and these levels are respecting, or your fib is respecting the actual levels as well. So at my very first level around the neckline, I got the 23 fib level. My next level above this larger neckline and a bullish pattern, I have the in between the 50 and the 38. If I were to drag this down to the actual neckline, this would be sitting right on the 50%. And obviously we got 100 right here at this level, 466. So other than that, man, I'm gonna put that back there. Oh, shit. There we go. Put that back right there because I know the completion of this pattern goes right to this neckline over here. So yeah, I mean, that's basically it. Alright, update real quick on oil. So oil was a little tricky one. We actually got in at the close of this candle, about like roughly around this area here. Got in there, and then the stop was extremely tight. The stop was extremely tight, right above this area here. Price slapped me in the face, got me out of it. Was a little upset, waited for the close below just because I knew where it was going to go. Got the close below, entered, added a couple more positions here with these, got the close that we're looking for. So this is currently what's going on. This is what we're looking. I'm still looking at the same setup. Just had a little. The market had to grab a few more orders in order to make price push the way it did. Not really a big deal. You can keep your eye on the chart. You'll be able to hop right back in. So waiting for the next part of this move. All right, and then to check on oil. Oil was making some good progress. Very, very respectful in this move. Now it's in the order block. So I'm not stressing on it being in the order block. It is still making a little bit of a, oh no, market ain't open for commodities yet. It's at 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes, I'll kind of see what it does. If it does make a push below this little area of consolidation right here, that'll be cool, because then I know it's going to continue to go down past this neckline right here. Not neckline. Well, I already broke the neckline right here, but it'll go past this little area. If it does continue up, I'll extend this trend line outward. I don't know if that'll happen. I'm hoping that doesn't happen. If it does, I gotta see what happens once it gets to this trend line, because then it'll throw a third top up there. If it does that, that's not a problem either. Still hopping in. If it completely breaks that area, then obviously the trade setup is invalid. But if it doesn't, then I'm expecting price to continue downward. All right, oil has been performing very well. Oil closed below our neckline, came back up, hit the trailer, right? So we got again at the order block, because we didn't see it break here at the top, and it closed below our fib level on the smaller time frame on the 1 hour. So that one's still active, and it's continuing to make its way down. It actually closed below the level like I needed it to the previous week. So this one's still active, and I'm still expecting it to make its way down to this level right here. All right, last update on oil. Forgot to check oil because it had barely hit the take profit area right around that 23%, with literally a wick